everybody, Michelle here with another original Revolutionize recipe. Today I am bringing you a fan favorite recipe. It is sweet orange chicken. Everybody has been making it and going crazy over it. Here's how we cook up the dish. All of the sauce ingredients will be in the recipe description below. In addition, you're gonna wanna have cubed chicken, and I already have our sauce prepared for us in this bowl. First, you're gonna heat 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil in our pot. Add your cubed chicken. While your chicken is cooking, go ahead and whisk together the ingredients of the sauce. Begin to flip your chicken as it cooks through to have a nice browned golden edge. Once your chicken is browned on each side, remove it and set aside. Add our sauce mixture back into the pan. Bring your sauce to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes so it thickens, stirring occasionally. It looks like our sauce is thickening up nicely. We've been cooking for about 15 minutes so far. All right, our sauce is nice and thick and we are ready to add the chicken back in. Coat the chicken in that nice orange sauce that we just made. Take a look at that. There you have it, everybody. Another crowd pleaser, sweet orange chicken. You are going to love this. Fan favorite. Oh my God. So much flavor. You're gonna love this. Go make this right now. Until next time, guys. See you later. Oh, this is good. Oh my God, seriously. I have no words. I have no words.